วัสดีครับอยากสอบถามนิดนึงครับว่าทำไมที่นี่ถึงต้องมีอุโมงค์ระบายน้ำครับ
เอาละเดี๋ยวพี่จะอธิบายให้น้องเข้าใจง่ายๆฟังเชิญทางนี้ครับ
You see, Bangkok lies in a vast floodplain and it features a pan-like area with slopes and different ground levels. This makes natural drainage difficult. A drainage tunnel serves as a sizable shortcut channel through which large volumes of canal water are pumped and sent to the river to accelerate drainage in that area. This will facilitate a faster drainage of secondary canals, drainage pipes, and roads. At present, there are 7 drainage tunnels in Bangkok, 5 of which are small-scale. They are 1. The drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 26, 1 meter in width. 2. The drainage tunnel at Prempachakon Canal, 3.4 meters in width. 3. The drainage tunnel in Payathai district, 1.5 to 2.4 meters in width. 4. The drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 36, 1.5 to 1.8 meters in width. 5. The drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 42, 1.5 to 1.8 meters in width. The other 2 giant tunnels are 1. The tunnel diverting water from Makkasan Pond to Chao Phraya River, 4.6 meters in width. 2. The tunnel diverting water from San Sat and Lat Prao Canal to the Chao Phraya River, 5 meters in width. All tunnels work together systematically, but each of them serves a specific area, otherwise known as a tunnel influence area. For example, the drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 26 covers an area of about 1.5 kilometer. The drainage tunnel at Prempachakon Canal covers an area of about 3.5 square kilometer. The drainage tunnel at Payathai district covers an area of about 3 square kilometers. The drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 36 covers an area of about 1.5 square kilometer. The drainage tunnel at Soi Sukhumvit 42 covers an area of about 1.5 square kilometer. The tunnel diverting water from Makkasan Pond to Chao Phraya River covers an area of about 26 square kilometers. The tunnel diverting water from San Sat and Lat Prao Canal to the Chao Phraya River covers an area of about 50 square kilometers. In order to cope with flooding resulting from urban expansion, the BMA plans to build more tunnels throughout the metropolitan area. Another 5 tunnels will be installed in Prempachakon Canal. Currently, the tunnel is under construction under Bang Sư Canal, under Nong Bon Pond, Thawi Wattana Canal, and Praya Ratchamontri Canal. These tunnels will complement the water motorway network and considerably enhance drainage capacity in Bangkok. For further information,